guys, we are back with another Manny Mod's Garage video. We are going to a local little show here in Hinesville. We're gonna see what it's about, and we're just gonna have a good time.
Let's check it out. Let's see what we got here.
Let's look.
Good baby girl. Let's see. $1,000. You won an OTG, $1,000.
Yeah,
and what else you won?
Best show, lowest, and JDM, and then the $1,000.
Golly, bro.
Yeah.
Not bragging or anything.
No, he's not bragging.
I was that shit.
Alright, which one of y'all want to run it? We'll run that shit. Which one of y'all want to run it? You want to run it? What you want to race?
He got one too.
You got a TRX? What color is yours?
Granny.
I'm Manny. What's going on, y'all?
I go get my car running. We ain't running no quarter mile, man.
No, we doing digs.
We running about.
I'm running a dig.
That's cool. That's cool.
This big ass truck, 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds.
Hey, we gotta go at least 3 miles.
Oh, that's fine. I'll give my HELLCAT.
No, you said this. This time out.
Which one's your truck?
Black and gold.
Yeah, that's my style right there. Alright guys, he's been dodging me the whole time. I've been trying to get a run with this guy, but he's scared. The word in the street is Dash Pack's scared to run that money, dog. No, I'm fucking with you. What's up, bro? What's good? What's good? What is going on, YouTube? This is a special announcement. I want to give my little friend Cameron a shout out. Thank you so much, Cameron, for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. And pretty soon you're gonna be in my video, all right, buddy? Check out your daddy's car. no. I'm looking past like, no, I don't know. And then I see you, I'm like, oh, this you? Oh, yeah.
You saw the red gun.
I know, I was just like, I gotta do a video on this thing.
Thank you for the love, man.
Guys, I ain't gonna lie to you, this is one of the nicest female-owned Hellcat wide bodies I've ever seen. It's a 22 with the smoke show paint job, spec'd out properly. It's got the sunroof, the bells and whistles, the red interior, the red floor mats to match. Guys, when I tell you, this woman, she put so much pride and joy into this car. Man, and not to mention, she's one of my subscribers, one of my biggest fans before I even started this YouTube journey. It is amazing, guys. One of my favorite cars here. What's up, bro?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? You good?
You calling?
Chilling, man. I'll see you later, bro. Y'all like that intake? What y'all think about this truck?
It's good.
It's all right?
Yeah, it's fast.
It's all right. It's my truck.
It's your truck.
Yeah, it's our truck. My wife's truck, actually. Nah, I just like y'all expression. Y'all like the truck. It's pretty cool. Appreciate the support, guys.
Thank you. Do you do YouTube?
Yes, I do.
What's your channel?
Manny Mod's Garage. Desmond, who else?
Joshua.
And who else?
Royal.
Okay. Y'all gonna be on my YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure y'all subscribe and keep on following and watching my content.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all have a good day. Y'all stay safe. Be good.
Alrighty, guys. So that was it. We just pulled up to the local car show at the local Dodge dealership. It was great. We saw a lot of people that we knew, that we gave our love to, and it was extremely hot. We only stayed for about, I'd say, like 30 minutes, and we were drenched. Our kids were drenched, so we're about to go get some food. We're about to just chill out, enjoy the day, and thank you guys for subscribing and following along.
I appreciate you guys so much for all the content you guys have been watching, for the support you've been providing. It was really nice to bump into some of my subscribers out there. One of them is a female. She's mad cool. These girls, man, you guys got to keep on doing what it do. Just keep bringing those cars out, keep wiping them down, and keep showing these guys that y'all can do it or probably do it better. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Peace.
Peace. Let it be a peace. Be a peace.